Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I want to show you that how to add the deeper effect on our voices or audio in the Capcut videos. So first of all, you have to just open your Capcut and select the video on which you want to add the deeper effect. So note one thing, that to add the deeper effect to your audio, you have to just extract the audio from the video. So after that, you have to just click on the audio part and then click on the voice effect at the bottom of this page, and here you will find an option of the deep. Just click on it and then select for the pitch according to your requirement that you want to add to, and then in the timbre you have to just select the aspect ratio that you want to select for your voice. So once you're done, you have to just click on the right option at the bottom right, and then I just show you the deeper effect of my voice in this video.
Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to speed up your videos in the Capcut.
So you can see that the deeper effect has been applied to my voice. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guys, thanks for watching.